Class, welcome to Lesson 7. I'm a fan of Lesson 7 and 8 because you have finished up Project 2 and you have a couple weeks before you start Project 3. So it's nice to have just a couple straightforward weeks where you don't have extra project work going on. Our two topics this week will be 1, creating your Google AdWords campaign, and 2, keyword basics. So we'll talk quite a bit about keywords, as that will be a core function of your digital marketing approach. And then obviously you'll have a weekly reflection as well. So let's start on create your AdWords campaign. You've been working in AdWords using the Google Keyword Tool Planner, but it's time to dig a little bit deeper into the formal functional side of AdWords. So you'll go ahead and create a campaign, but do not activate it. Right now we are just setting up the campaign. we will actually launch the campaign later on. But create an advertisement and enter the keywords. Later on we will refine both of those. In fact, the second assignment today is to help start to refine those keywords, and we will work on tips for writing ads later on as well. Right now you just want to create the campaign. All that is something we'll edit before we actually launch. But what you want to start thinking about is how you will structure your campaign. What geographic locations do you want your ad to show in? So think about where you want to sell and why. Is this a worldwide product? Is this nationwide? Is it local? There are pluses and minuses to both. But think a little bit about what location you want to focus on. What devices do you want? Do you want this to show up on desktops, or is this preliminarily mobile? Do you want to choose automatic or bidding options? There's videos and readings to learn about those different options and the different functionalities of AdWords. And what is your daily budget and why? So for these last two, you want to think a little bit about or you want to learn a little bit about how AdWords actually works, how it functions, to be able to answer those two. Those first two are more based on your type of product or service that you're trying to get the word out about. So you'll also have a discussion board around that. And let's jump to keyword basics. So keywords will form the backbone of your digital marketing strategy. You want to think of keywords in the terms of what people will search for in order to find your product. When we go through and we optimize our websites for to be found on Google for search engines, you will refine your keywords for that. When you launch a Google AdWords campaign, you'll need keywords for that. It's all based around keywords, so you want to take some time to choose the right keywords. If I own a t-shirt business and t-shirt is my keyword, well, I'm out there with 10,000 plus other companies online. So I'm not going to be able to be found above the foray. On the other hand, if you get too specific, then people won't search for it. If you use a technical term that your users won't know, then they won't be able to search for it. So you've got to find a balance between those two. And there's some very helpful readings. I encourage you to watch these videos and to read through and to really take some time on this and to learn the answer to these two questions. For this assignment, the Word document portion will answer these two questions. What do you think the characteristics of a good keyword will be, and the characteristics of a bad keyword? You want 2 or 3 sentences on those, on each of those. But you'll also prepare a document with a list of 20 keywords, just to help you start in the brainstorming process. Again, I can't emphasize how important this is to research and try to choose the best keywords. Obviously, the keyword tool planner that we've been using in the past is very helpful for this. That will help you know what people are searching. So please avail yourself of resources like that and spend some time to find the right keywords, because that is a core function to success in digital marketing. And that will be it. You'll have the discussion board as well for that, and a weekly reflection. So a fairly straightforward week. Please reach out if you'd like any help brainstorming keyword ideas, or if you just like some feedback on some of the keywords you come up with.